This is easily one of the most offensive things that I've ever seen happen to one of my students, and I'm just raging on her behalf right now. She has an Instagram account with under 10K followers. She does a sponsored post with the brand. Video gets 6K views, which I actually think for the amount of followers she has is incredible. The brand is expressing how unhappy they are with the results. They said that they think her comments and likes were fake. Because if all of those people commented saying that they really liked the product and they loved it and they had to have it, why did they only make 2 sales? So they literally thought the comments were fake. Let me explain a couple things to you if you ever are in this situation and just feel really horrible about it. If a brand is ever accusing you of fake likes and comments, that right there for me is an absolutely no, we're done. He also neglected to mention that the other option for them not making enough sales is maybe their website sucks. Your job as a creator is to create an ad and be the marketer who's going to get the person from social media over to the website. What happens when they get to the website is out of your control. What if they get to the checkout page and shipping is $20? I'm not buying it. The other thing too is repeat exposure is very important. I comment, oh my God, I love this so many times on different things. Doesn't mean I'm going to right there go purchase it. Sometimes I have to see it a few times before I actually hit purchase. At the end of the day, if any brand is going to disrespect you and speak to you like that and accuse you of having fake likes and comments because you didn't make enough sales, do not work with them. You are worth more than that, and you should not be talked to like that. I am literally just shocked.